Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. If you've ever watched a cooking show in a professional kitchen, you may have seen the head chef taste his food consistently, and then over and over again tell his team to consistently taste the food that they are cooking. This is not just a random angry chef yelling at his team thing. Cooking is chemistry happening in real time. Tasting the food you cook is the most important part of the cooking process. Most people only ask one question when they're eating: does this taste good? Chefs, however, address many questions. Is it too salty? Too acidic? Too bitter? Too flat? What's missing? It all starts with training your palate, and that starts with comparison. Your palate is like a muscle. The more you train it, the more it notices. From tasting food before and after salt to fresh herbs versus dried herbs, it's all about learning how small changes transform flavor. But how does your palate work? Well, those tiny bumps on your tongue contain thousands of onion-shaped clusters of sensory cells that we call taste buds. And inside each taste bud, the sensory cells are designed to detect chemicals in food. Then your tongue starts sending information to your brain. These cells recognize 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Umami is a savory taste found in foods like meat, cheese, and mushrooms. And when the food touches your tongue, the taste buds send electrical signals through the nerves to your brain. It is your brain then that combines taste with smell, texture, and temperature to create flavor. And that's why food tastes weaker when you have a cold. Without smell, flavor is incomplete. And despite the old myth, your tongue doesn't have separate zones for different taste. The whole tongue can detect all 5. So every bite you take is your body translating chemistry into experience. And with that experience, professional chefs understand that not just flavors, but also conditions can change a dish. Heat changes texture, time changes balance. Acid changes brightness, salt changes proteins. Professional chefs taste almost after every major step because recipes are not an exact science. Raw ingredients can change. Tomatoes can be sweeter, butter can be richer, stocks can be saltier. And timing is everything. A sauce that tasted perfect 5 minutes ago might taste completely different now. Tasting is how chefs adjust. So chefs push their apprentices very early in their training to taste consistently to build flavor memory. And over time they learn what underseasoned tastes like, what burnt garlic tastes like, what too much acid feels like, and what perfect balance is. Every spoonful teaches the brain something new. Over time you stop randomly seasoning food and start understanding the balance. Eventually your tongue becomes precise. And cooking starts feeling like luck. It becomes control. And eventually they stop copying recipes and start understanding flavor. Cooking without tasting is basically cooking blind, because great cooking doesn't happen by accident. It happens one taste at a time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.